Okay, this video is about a 2002 Acura MDX. We're going to go over the problem with the rear HVAC system. The way the car is set up, there actually are two blower motors. One blower motor is for the dashboard air, and the other one is for the rear air. It goes underneath the seats or the vents in the center. Since there's two different motors, they're powered by two different resistors, or transistors, as you can see here. The transistor burns out, and this problem is due to the fact that there is a screen located on the driver's footwell to the right side of the driver that sort of filters the air. And that screen gets clogged with dirt because it's never cleaned, and then that resistance causes the transistor to overheat and blow out. And then you don't have any rear AC or any rear air at all. There's only one AC compressor, and that is actuated by the fan that pulls AC to the front and the rear. So you can see here is one I purchased to replace this thing. It's $25, and it's extremely easy to replace. So this one right here, this is the old one. It's not the same component, so you can sort of see it right here. Let's go to the. I mean, it doesn't look very similar to me, but it fits. So, oh my goodness. So, yeah, this one is a lot less rounded. So, the way it works is you can see the clips right here. These clips, they just it's sort of just one of those things where you insert it and then you twist it and it locks in, and then all you do is replace this, and then your AC works again in the rear, which is pretty convenient. And yeah, it really changes the experience in the car when there's air in the back, because then it makes it way nicer to climb it. So yeah, this is a pretty easy fix, and this is probably pretty not surprised this happens, because when filters get clogged, and there's just a massive load on the actual fans, and that causes this transistor here to burn out. So this is the correct one. It's the same part number. And it's for Honda, but Acura is Honda, so it's super easy to do. All you do is there's a kick plate, like I said, in the driver's footwell. You just sort of have to pop it out. So you take it and you just, from each corner, I started from the closer to the pedals, you take it and just pop, 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 and then it just comes out and you sort of bend it out. And like I said, it's just, it's the transistor. It's just like, if you're looking at it, it's closer to the seat on the right side. So you unplug it, there's a little clip on the bottom, you just pinch this clip, pull out the wire, and then you take that thing. So I held by any screws. So you just take it and you just give it a nice 45-degree twist, and then it comes right out. It's the easiest replacement. And yeah, so this is how you fix that issue. Okay, all right.